right, boys and girls, it is now time for our nature study. This quarter, we are talking about wild cats. Not like the cats that you have at home, those are called domesticated cats, but we're talking about big, ferocious cats that live out in the wild. So, first of all, I want you to find out where's their natural habitat. And I'm not talking about the San Diego Zoo or any zoo, I'm talking about where do they live out in the wild, out in the open. The second question is, what is a group of lions that stick together as a family called? And the last question is, who is the primary hunter? You may even know the answers to those questions already, but I hope you'll enjoy this short video on lions.